Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shania. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this fall makeup look using a bunch of new products from Ulta Beauty for their 21 days of beauty. I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys today because it is sponsored by Ulta, period. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this NARS Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it's literally so gorgeous. Like, it's so perfect for fall. I'm so excited to use this today. So the first shade I'm going to be popping into my crease is this shade called Take Control. It's this super gorgeous, like, mauve-y shade. I like to just bring whatever shadow I'm using just right here in the front of the brow, just to blend everything together. So now the next shade I'm going to go into is Code Red, which is this really nice shimmery color, and I'm going to be popping that on my lid. It's like a shimmery, like, brown color. Then I'm going to take this Tula Skincare Face Mist, and I'm actually going to use this to wet my brush just a little bit, just to get a really nice pigmented shadow. Then I'm going to go into the shade Pulsing, which is the shade right here. It's like a champagne-y gold. And then I'm just going to pop that right on top in the center, just to add like a highlighted effect. It's like a halo-y, like, highlighted effect. I love it. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with Uncensored Black, which is this shimmery black here. And I'm just going to take that right on the outer third. Okay, so I'm super excited to use this NARS Climax mascara because I've actually never tried any NARS products, to be honest, so I'm super excited to use this. So let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my lashes and the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm going to come back to do my eyes and my lips. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the lower lash line in the inner corner. So for my inner corner, I'm going to take this Urban Decay Stoned Vibes 24-Hour Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Tiger's Eye. And it's this really, really gorgeous, like, it's like a stony, grayish purple shade. And I'm like, period, it really goes with this look. So I'm just going to pop this on my inner corners. So I'm going to go back into my NARS palette, and I'm going to go in the shade Endowed, which is this like really bright champagne color. And I'm just going to pop that right in my inner corners. Okay, and now to just smoke out my lower lash line, I'm going to take the shades Private Eye and Uncensored Black. Back in with the NARS Climax mascara, and I'm going to apply this to my lower lashes. So for blush today, I want to use the same shadow that I put in my crease, just to like have the same tones going on my face. And that shade was Take Control, which is this mauve shade. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be taking this Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love lipstick in the shade Taupe, and this is like such a perfect shade for fall. So now to finish off my look, I'm going to be taking this Tula Signature Glow Refreshing and Brightening Face Mist to finish everything off. I'm going to go in and shake her up. There we go. I sprayed so much on, but it smells so good and it feels so good on the skin, especially in this weather where it's like scorching hot outside. This is amazing, like, to spray on throughout the day. And you guys, I'm literally not even wearing highlighter, but that face mist really gives me such a nice glow. We're going from within, honey. Okay guys, so this is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My final thoughts on this NARS Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette. It's amazing. Like, seriously so good. It's so perfect for the fall season, and you can do a bunch of different looks. Like you can make this dark and smoky, you can make it light and bright, like everything, you know. It's really cute, and this is like such a good fall neutral essentials palette, so I would really recommend it. Also, I love the way this Becca lipstick looks on me. I was a little bit hesitant at first when ordering online, but it looks so good, and I'm loving this like orangey brown vibe. Like it really ties the whole look together. So yeah, I'm obsessed. So yeah, if you guys want to check out any of the products that I used in today's video, don't forget to check out all the links in my description box, and head over to ultabeauty.com or in stores to pick out all of these amazing goodies for the 21 days of beauty. There are a bunch of ways to shop this look, so you guys can go on ulta.com, the Ulta Beauty app. You guys can do the curbside pickup where you order online and pick up your products at the curbside. You guys can go in store. You know, there's a whole bunch of different ways to shop this look. So I'm super excited to hear you guys' thoughts on these products, because I'm really obsessed with all of them. If you guys liked this look, don't forget to hit that link in the description box down below, or if any of the products that I used caught your eye, definitely hit that link so you guys can shop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.